How to schedule a bill payments with US Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to schedule a bill payment online using US Bank Bill Pay on your desktop. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside the web browser, just click on the search bar and simply search for US Bank. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, it will be prompted to the official website of the US Bank. Now here, once you see the interface like this, just click on the login button and after that, simply enter your personal ID and password to get access to your US Bank account. And now here, once you have logged in to your account, you can just navigate to the pay bills or the bill pay option. And once you are in, just click on bill pay from the top menu. And if you don't see it, you can also find it under the payments or transfers or the pay section. And after that, you simply have to select the biller you want to pay. And if they are not listed, you can just click on add a company or person and then enter the info to add them. And here, once you have added them, you simply have to enter the amount you want to pay. So select your payment account and then choose the delivery date. And this is when you want the payment to be sent. So here you can set the date for today or any future day, and this is how you schedule a bill payment in advance. And if it's a regular payment like a rent or utilities, you can check the box to make it recurring and then choose how often it should repeat. And once you're done with all that, you can simply review all the details like a pay amount, date, and then click on submit and confirm your payment. And after that, you will see a confirmation message when it's scheduled. And that's it. That's how you can schedule a bill payment with US Bank online. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.